Kasi tinatry ko siyang i-figure out if I will drop yung create ng content with this one, yung pag-vlog. Parang ano ba, do I have to continue? Do I need to end this vlogging thing? Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So ayan, today may panibago na naman tayong vlog. This video ay parang catch up, update, and kumusta na ba yung aking channel, kumusta na ba ako, and kung ano yung mga pinagagawa ko sa buhay. So, this is my first video for 2026 and I have to admit, sobrang nawala ako ng 6 months. Hindi sobrang nawala. Nawala talaga ako for 6 months and yung last upload ko, I think sa akin channel ay yung review ng sunscreen. Tapos sinabi ko pa doon na yung mga parang ni-review ko na skincare or na-try ay i-review ko. But I wasn't able to make a video. Sobrang nawala talaga ako sa track talaga. Baka umandar yung track. Anyway, it's very inconsistent ako for 2 years. Tapos I've been trying talaga to catch up. I've been trying to upload yung mga content dito sa channel. Even though nagre-review ako ng mga, even though I am trying a new skincare products, but I wasn't able to make a review hanggang sa naubos na lang yung product, ganyan. So, in the past, mga 2 years ago, mga ganyan yung nangyayari. And very inconsistent talaga. So, yung na-realize ko with that ay nagpo-procrastinate ako. Tapos sabi ko, bukas na lang, bukas. Hanggang sa tinatamad na akong mag-review. Pero luckily, yung ating channel, ang dami pa din nag-engage dun sa comment, nagko-comment pa din. Tapos, earning pa din naman siya. So, yun yung maganda. Even though I am not uploading any video, still our channel still earning. So, that's good. Pero, of course, the earning is not that high. It is not the same back then na talagang continuously ako nag-upload ng mga video. But today, this year, I want to make a change dito sa akin channel. I want to promise sa sarili ko to revive my channel and to upload pa ng mga product that I wasn't able to make a review. So, yun siguro yung aking ipapromise sa aking sarili, not sa inyo. Kasi, palagi ko sinasabi kasi na I will try my best. Parang hindi naman natutuloy. So, parang kinakalaban ko lang kayo, ganun. Pero anyway, that's my promise sa akin sarili to continue vlogging, to continue uploading a video, a skincare review, para hopefully ma-share ko yung mga na-try kong product sa inyo that product that I was able to try na pwedeng makatulong sa inyo soon. Yun, medyo first I have to admit that I'm very inconsistent for 2 years. I've been trying to promise na i-continue ko yung pag-upload but hindi natutuloy kasi yun nga, nagpa-procrastinate ako. Nagpa-procrastinate. So, that's why bumili ako ng book ng Atomic Habits. So, I want to break that habit and I want to prioritize things na importante and i-lessen yung mga unnecessary things na hindi naman talaga kailangan sa daily living. So mga ganun. Back to the story, bakit nga ba ako very inconsistent? Ayun nga, nagpo-procrastinate tapos pinapabukas. Ganun lang. Hanggang sa hindi na natutuloy. Even though I am trying my best na ano daw? Even though tinatry ko yung best ko na sige, upload ko na, ganyan, kinakausap ko yung sarili ko, parang baliw, pero hindi pa din talaga natutuloy. So I know it's problem ko siya because hindi ko binibigyan ng action yung mga bagay na dapat kong bigyan ng action. Okay, so nag-gym, sobrang busy din sa gym. So after work, nag-gym ako. So medyo malayo na yung pinag-gyman ko, not the first gym na pinag-gyman ko. So, hindi yun yung first. So, medyo malayo sa Santa Cruz pa. I live in Victoria. So, it will take mga 30 minutes to get there. And also, nag-skate ako ngayon. So, hindi siya counted kasi this month lang ako nag-engage sa pag-skate. So, roller skate. So, yun. Pero usually, yung routine ko kasi talaga, gigising sa umaga, mag-work, tapos, for social media, scroll, ganyan. But, nako-consume din yung time ko sa pag-social media, tapos work. So, sometimes, mas maraming time for social media, for doom scrolling ata yung tawag doon, if I am not mistaken. Ganun to, kinakain na kinakain ako ng sistema, ganyan yung nangyayari. And after that, So, mga 5, mag-gym na ako hanggang mga 3 hours or 2 to 3 hours usually. Pero yung 3 hours medyo may mga cellphone na doon. Tapos, uuwi pa ako and super late na ako nakaka-uwi talaga. Now, I want to prioritize things talaga and gusto kong isama sa priority ko yung pag-create ng content. So, ganun lang yung usually na routine ko. Tapos, anyway, if you can see and if you will notice, hindi na kulay pink yung ating background, it is gray. And somehow, I want to improve yung aking kwarto because I think that's also a factor na nakakapag-cause na medyo tinatamad ako, hindi na ako ganun ka-productive. So, I tried to reflect and tinry ko talaga yung best ko para i-address yung mga bagay-bagay sa aking life. And now that I am getting older, ayun nga, I have to prioritize things. Palagi kong iniisip na kailangan ko mag-upload kailangan mag-upload hanggang sa hindi na ako nakakapag-upload. So, ganun yung nangyayari. And now, this year, siguro yun nga, nasabi ko naman na I want to prioritize things, the ones that is important, the one that is important, the one that is important, and also trying to cut people in my life. Hindi nakakatulong sa growth. So, yun ang kaganapan sa aking life. Trying to make my life more meaningful. Work, gym, try to roller skate. Sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga yung pag-roller skate. And also, yun nga, parang now, I prioritize din yung aking mental health, yung aking physical health. Yun yung mga importanteng bagay sa ating life. Hopefully guys, yung mga subscribers ko and mga followers dito sa akin channel, please continue supporting my channel. And I am... Wow, nangangako din naman tayo. Tapos hindi na naman matutuloy, hindi na naman mag-upload. But anyway, I promise to myself that I will continue making a content sa akin channel and promise that sa akin sarili na after this, I will try to upload contents and hopefully find the meaning sa mga ginagawa ko na this is what I really love to do and making a video that I want to pursue. So yun yung talagang I don't want to give up. Kasi tinatry ko siyang i-figure out if I will drop yung pag-create ng content with this one, yung pag-vlog. Parang ano ba, do I have to continue? Do I need to end this vlogging thing? But there is inside me that saying I have to continue of what I have started. So there, I have to continue making a video dito sa acting channel. Okay, so yeah, kamusta ako? I am okay physically, mentally okay. Yeah, I am okay and I am happy with my life right now. So hopefully after this, magtuloy-tuloy yung ating content dito sa aking channel. So yun, kayo guys, kamusta kayo and how are you? Na-miss niyo ba ako? So, na-miss ko kayo guys. I miss yung ganitong thing na ginagawa ko, conversation with you, product review, and I just love making a video. So, yeah. Hopefully guys, tuloy-tuloy na ito. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching this video and hope to see you in the next video. Okay? So, I feel din na with that I am turning 30 this year. I feel that I am more confident with myself, sa aking life. And I think mas tumatalino ako. I can feel. Anyway, so that's all guys. And I love you so much and see you in the next video. Bye-bye!